Pop, pop, go the bubbles in the mud pool. Tucker the turtle swims up and dips in a toe. The mud is very warm and the bubbles tickle. Finn swims up to the bubbling mud pool and dives right in. Uh-oh, Tucker has lost his balance and he topples in. Whoa there, Finn, your spinning is making Tucker dizzy. Finn wants a mud fight and splashes Tucker. Oh no, Tucker's glasses are covered in mud. Let's just give them a quick wipe. There we go, Tucker can see perfectly again. Oh look, Shelley is here. She's so excited to jump into the mud pool. Whoa, what a great flip in. Cover your eyes from the splash, Tucker. You don't want dirty glasses again. What great fun they're all having in the mud pool. The gang are out of the pool, but they can't resist diving back in. The mud pool is so much fun. Daddy Shark and Grub are swimming up to the pool. Grub is so excited to join his siblings and Tucker. Grub swims up high and bang! He has accidentally hit Finn on the head. Luckily, it didn't hurt. The kids all flop back and start floating around on their backs. Daddy is very impressed. Good job, guys! Grub wags his tail too much and fires a huge splash of mud at Daddy. Now Daddy is filthy. Daddy swims over to the mud pool, scoops up Grub and whisks him away. Daddy has taken Grub to a hot bath. It's time to get him nice and sparkling clean. The other kids dive into the hot bath. It feels amazing to be clean again. It's time for Daddy to get back to work, but he isn't looking where he's swimming. Oh no! He's fallen into the mud pool. Daddy needs a hot bath now too.